How to block ads on your Yahoo Mail. Here is how you can remove ads using Yahoo Mail application on your phone. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Yahoo offers an ad-free experience through a paid subscription. You have to tap onto the Y plus icon from top of the screen. Then select a subscription plan and complete the purchases. Once subscribed, ads will be removed from your inbox. If you are using Yahoo Mail in Safari or another browser, you can install an ad blocker from the App Store such as AdGuard, OneBlocker, and others. These tools help block ads when accessing Yahoo Mail via a browser. While you can't completely remove ads in free version, you can hide some by closing pop-up ads by tapping the cross button, avoiding clicking on sponsored emails. And that's it. Now you know how to block ads on Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.